Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I would like to show you how to create a new user account on your PC or laptop. So let's get started with it. First of all, you need to go to the search bar on your computer. Then type Control Panel and find the Control Panel option. After that, open it. Now look for the View By option and make sure it is set to Category. Then you will see an option called User Accounts and Change Account Type, so click on that. Here you can see your current user account. If you want to add another user account or create a new user account, you just need to click on Add a New User in PC Settings, so open that option. Now you will see an option called Other Users. Select it. After clicking, you may need to wait for a moment as it starts loading. It can take a little time, so just wait while it loads. It is still loading, so be patient for adding or creating a new user account. Now you can see that it is open. Here, you just need to type your email address, then select Next. After that, type your password, and again select Next. Once this is done, your new user account will be added. You can now see another user account created here, and it is ready to use. So guys, I hope you can understand this process. This is how you can create another new user account on your PC or laptop. I hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel.